bling. Somebody tell me some bling that you like, that you think is really cool and you'd like to bling. Somebody tell me something bling that you would like. Mason.
The guy. Like a necklace.
A necklace for bling. Jayla.
A ring.
A ring. Flora. A bracelet. Ooh, let's all hold our hands up and pretend we got a nice big rock on here. Or for a guy, we got a big gold necklace on there. That is bling.
How about earrings?
Or earrings. Today, we are going to be learning about bling. We're going to be learning actually about our next part of science. And this, if you would hit that, if we could hit that second light, you would see is actually a guy, and he is pointing at a massive blue, no, turn them both off. A massive blue rock right here, which is loaded with diamonds. So it actually has diamond chips in it. Alex, go ahead and give me one like that. I need it. Alright, so here's a guy who has actually got a very cool light on his helmet, and he's pointing up to rocks because you may not realize this, but rocks deep inside of the earth actually have bling, or what we call minerals. I say it first, you say it after me. Minerals.
Minerals.
Minerals and rocks are buried deep inside the earth, and there's a famous game, some of you already saw this picture, don't shout out, that is based on the idea of mining, and my boys were telling me all about it. It is Minecraft, and so here we see the miner, he's got his diamond pickaxe, and he's off to mine from this cave. Someone tell me, raise your hand please, why is it important that he has a diamond pickaxe? Why doesn't he have like a copper or a lead pickaxe? Why does he need diamonds? Robert.
Because some of the material you can't mine with just a wooden, but you can mine it, but it won't give it to you.
You can mine it, but you can't get it unless you have a diamond pickaxe. So a diamond pickaxe is really important because a wooden one would break, but we know that when you have a diamond pickaxe, you're able to actually get the minerals out. Someone name a mineral that they've learned before about on Minecraft. A mineral that they've caught. James.
I caught like a diamond.
A diamond?
A diamond sword that is enchanted in a clay.
No, I'm talking about just a mineral.
Yeah, that is.
Emeralds.
Emeralds,
Oh
excellent.
my God, this is not
Gold is actually a mineral, excellent.
gold.
Bedrock, that's really interesting. Bedrock is actually a kind of rock. It is not a mineral. Isaiah, you need to move to the back table, please. Okay, Alex?
Iron.
Which kind?
Iron.
Iron, awesome. Iron is a mineral. Today, I actually have cool rocks and minerals that we're going to be working with. So, I'll be watching real carefully to see what you can find out. Here's my big question. Is this a rock or is it a mineral? Turn to your partner and tell your partner what you think.
Mineral.
And if you know it, give me a thumbs up. I know it's Monty. I know what it is. Bianca, what do you think it is?
A mineral.
Bianca, you think this is a mineral. Why?
Because it looks like it. Because it has because it looks pretty shiny.
It looks shiny and it has lots of flakes. Let's see. Is this really a rock or is it a mineral? Let me ask you another question. What's the difference between a rock and a mineral? Tell your partner what you think the difference is.
One's shiny and one's not. Yep.
And 3, 2, 1, zip. Somebody tell me what you think. Javier, what's the difference? Just tell me what do you think? What's the difference between a rock and a mineral?
A rock is
Go ahead, finish, Javier.
one is a kind of like hurtful. I mean, like the rock is harder. It's harder to break.
What a great way to describe it. I love that. That maybe a rock is harder. Okay.
There's stuff inside.
What a great idea. Maybe there's stuff inside of which one, the rock or the mineral?
The mineral.
The mineral has stuff inside. Okay. Savannah. These are all excellent, excellent ideas, but guess what the difference between a rock and mineral is? It is so simple. No. Look.
What?
This is a rock. It is a rock because it has all different kinds of minerals in it. So it has, look what it has. It has mica chips in it. It has some of the red, probably copper in it. It has ore in it. So a rock is when there's a combination. Now let's keep watching. Okay. Oh, I'm already using it. What is this?
A
rock.
A rock or a mineral? Tell your partner what you think it is.
A mineral.
Is it a rock or a geode?
It's a geode.
It is a geode. Actually, a geode is a kind of rock because at the bottom there's like this crust. But if you looked at this, this actually has mostly the mineral of amethyst in it, which is one of my favorite ones. No talk. Next one. This is my last question. Is this a rock? This picture, is it a rock or a mineral?
Rock.
Tell your partner what you think it is. Think about the definition. A rock is a combination of all different kinds of things. A mineral is just one.
It's a mineral.
And 3, 2, 1, zip. Okay, Jayla, what do you think it is?
A mineral.
Why?
Because it only has one color.
It only has one color. That's excellent, Jayla. This is actually a mineral. So now we've gotten down. This is just a mineral. A mineral is just one material. So the whole thing is made up of just one material. It has the same composition. Okay, so today you guys are actually going to, this is so cool, get a chance to become real scientists. We're going to do a lab experiment where you're going to test different rocks for different properties. And you're going to be using the mineral testing kit, which I'll show you in just a minute, to test for different things. There's a hardness test where we can do mineral on mineral to see which one would scratch. Does anyone know which one is the hardest mineral? What's the hardest mineral? Isaiah?
It's the wheels.
No. Hardest mineral.
Diamond.
I know it.
Stop talking. Hardest mineral, Mason.
Platinum.
That's a great guess. Hardest mineral, Robert.
Iron. Aluminum.
Great guess. Think about Minecraft. Apply what you know. Priscilla?
Diamond.
Diamond, because Steve uses the diamond sword. Or he uses
James.
the diamond pickaxe. That would be the hardest. And diamond armor. No,
James.
So that's the hardest one. Now, we're actually going to be doing this test right here. It's called a streak test, where you guys will get a chance to look at different rocks, and you'll be testing to see if they're one thing or the next. And this is our next big thing we got to learn.
I want to do James.
Okay. We are testing to see if we have metals or non-metals. Everybody say it with me. Metals or non-metals. Metals are shiny. Non-metals are dull. Which one do you think people like better?
Shiny.
They usually like the metals better because we're human beings and we like shiny, cool, interesting stuff.
We can self it.
There's another test where you can test for
Stop.
color. I'm going to ask Miss Logan what her favorite color jewel is. Miss Logan, I didn't ask any of you. Miss Logan, what's your favorite?
I like amethyst.
You like the amethyst, the purple?
It's amethyst.
I actually like, there's a blue one called, this is azurite, but I think it's like an azure one. It's one of my favorites because I love blue. So, yeah, they're very pretty, but there's all different colors. Notice the yellow diamond.
I like diamond.
There's yellow diamonds.
I like the yellow.
This is just me talking. Okay? All right, so we're going to get ready to do our streak test in a second, but before we do that, we need to do a quick review. The difference between a rock and a mineral is that blank is found inside of blank. Think in your head? When I say it this time, you're going to say it out. The difference between a rock and a mineral is that a mineral is found inside of a rock. There you go. Minerals are they shiny or are they dull? Think about it. No. We're going for metals or non-metals. Think about what you're going to put here. Metals or non-metals. Sit down. Minerals are
Shiny.
metals or non-metals?
Metal.
Metals or
Dull.
non-metals. Let's try it again. Minerals are
Metals.
or
Non-metals.
a blank tests the way light is reflected on a mineral. Think about this word for a second. Let's see if anyone has it. Raise your hand if you know it. It starts with an L. A blank test. I put the word went fast. Alex?
Luster?
Luster, let's say it together. A
Luster
test the way light is reflected on a mineral. Don't do it again.
Yeah, and plus it was in the
I got it. A blank test looks at the color of a mineral in powdered form. We're going to do this. Think it in your head. What are we about to do? We're going to make this test. Nora, eyes are here. We're making this test. What kind of test is this? Anyone know? We're about to do it. Priscilla? Let's say it. I'm going to point to you when you say your part, which is streak. A streak test looks at the color of a mineral in powdered form. When I point to you, do it. Last one. A blank test measures how hard it is to scratch a mineral. You're going to say hardness. A hardness test measures how hard it is to scratch a mineral. Hit it, Bianca. We're done.
Okay.